Welcome to Dr. Jalil Photography. Today I'll be presenting a very short video of live insect photography. You can see jewel bug. This one is a very colorful jewel bug. I'll be taking picture of this on this beautiful leaf and the flower. I'll take the pictures while it will be walking around this leaf. But the difference is that I'll be using a black color background for the whole photography. I am expecting very good pictures of this colorful jewel bug against black color background. I have already uploaded several videos on the background issues on macro photography. How to do a blurry background, how to do black background. So today I'll be using the same setup, same technique for taking the picture of this live insect on this tabletop studio. And I'll be showing the pictures at the end of the video. I'll be taking picture on this as well as some other flowers as well. I'll be showing the pictures after editing in Lightroom at the end of this video. While I'm taking this picture, I'll switch off lights over here on my studio because I'll be taking picture in a black color background, so I don't want any light on the backdrop. So I'll switch off all the lights, keeping only small lights on my left side so that you can see me while I'm taking this picture. Let me explain the gear. I'll be using Sony a7R3 camera, Lava 90mm macro lens, and this one is DIY camera stand which I can move back and forth with this wheel. And for flash, I'll be using GOWDA MF12 with a radiant diffuser, mini size radiant diffuser. Sometime I'll keep this flash on this jack over here, and sometime I'll be holding it and taking the snaps while it is moving around. So let me start. First I will switch off all the lights and put my jewel bug on this flower. Then I'll start taking pictures. I think you can see this jewel bug holding the leaf very strongly and sometimes it's walking around. So I'll take pictures of this jewel bug in a black background. And I'll be using GOWDA MF12. Let me switch it on. The flash trigger is already on. Since it is very dark, I am using 1/2 flash strength, and I'll be using a reflector against the flash. The camera is on. For live insect photography, I will need to change this wheel constantly back and forth, precise focusing, because the insect will be walking around. But when it is sometimes sitting very quietly in one leaf, it's easy for me to take pictures in different direction. Let me take some pictures. I'm going to change the angle a little bit. At this moment it is sitting very quietly. I have taken plenty of shots against this black background, and I'll be transferring all the pictures in the Lightroom, edit little bit. I'll not require too much editing because the picture is already very sharp. Maybe cropping little bit left and right to make a better composition. If you like my techniques, if you like my photography, if you like my macro photography on tabletop studio as well as outdoor, if you are new in my channel, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, press the bell icon. Now I am going to show you the pictures one after another against the black background of this jewel bug. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in next video. Bye bye.